So tell me, what's your experience?
It was horrible. The day started very normal and I went to school and I saw my friends. Everything was normal and I was just talking to my friends when I just felt this pain going through my body, and I felt this rush of pain going through everything, and I couldn't breathe, I couldn't move, I fell on the ground.
She was just screaming and shaking. I was so scared. I don't know what was happening. So I called for help.
So I was lying there on the floor and the pain was unbearable. I mean, it felt like I was dying. I really thought I was dying, and my whole life flashed in front of me. I thought of all the friends and family I would leave behind. It was horrible.
So someone called 911 and Rebecca kept making these spastic movements and loud noises, and the girls were crying and we all prayed for her. And then the doctor said, we've never seen something like this before. So we were all shocked.
This disease is eating me alive. There's no cure, and the doctors can't help it, and now I have to live with it for the rest of my life, and I don't know if I can.
Would you like me to turn the camera off?
Yes, please. Please help me.
She was fine, not even acting normal.
Whole life flashed in front of me. I thought of all my friends and family that I would let.
She was fine, just acting normal. Do it, and she made this extremely loud noises. 911. And Rebecca made captain with. En Rebecca made captain. Serieus, kept making, niet made kept.
Look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot.
En cut. En cut. En cut. En cut.
I'm sexy and
Hi.
I'm sexy and
Hi.
Is konijn.
and when I'm at the beach, I'm in a speedo trying to tan my cheeks. This is how I roll.
Nooit.
Service. Watch. Girl, look at that body.
Rebecca made captain. Rebecca made captain. Rebecca made captain.
Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. What I see, everybody stops and is staring at me. I got shit in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it.
I'm sexy and I know it.